me down the driveway. With the Montgomery Ward 3-wheeler. Here we go. Make sure there's no cars coming up the driveway. We're heading down. Gotta itch my nose. Okay, there we go. My foot is stuck in the wheel. It's stuck. Crap. That sucker is stuck. Stop moving. There we go. Here, roll her back a little bit. We got stuck. Oh, just dang it. Take my shoe right off. Make sure there's no coming. Nobody coming. There we go. Pop right out now. I got my other foot. Well, actually, both my feet are holding the 3-wheeler from rolling down. Okay, well, here we go. Need to be more careful next time my shoe. I don't want to get caught up in too much. Rip the shoe right off my foot. It was close to it this time. Ripped right off my foot. Better go slow. You never know when somebody's coming. Got a rock in my shoe now. What could happen next? My shoe got caught, now there's a rock in the shoe. And the same shoe, too. Same one. Okay, there we go. Put her back on. Whoa, what happened? It stalled or something. That was the first. Don't tell me I ran out of gas after that. I just went down the hill. Oh, it's getting low. Better turn around. Oh, it's about out, but might be able to make it up the driveway. Okay, we'll turn around. Come on. Okay, here we go. I have to take it kind of slow. I have to take it slower anyways. Like this is the way it's geared, like these torque converters. So always take kind of slowish. I hope it don't stall out because we're up a hill. You know how it is with those gas tanks going up a hill. The gas goes all the way back, not go in the tube, and suck it into the carb. Make sure there's nobody behind thee. Okay, there's nobody. So far, so good. It didn't try to stall yet. So that's a good thing. So far. Warmest up. Almost up here. And we are up. Heck yeah. Well, okay, now we are. I said a little too soon. But I didn't stall out at least. Oh, just blow her back. Suck every bit out of it. You can hear her puttering a little bit. Heck yeah, man. Flipping that trailer tire like no hat. That's what's fun about trailer tires, man. You can slip around in them and have all kinds of slippage going on. I made her up. Okay, well, I was gonna say I made her up without stalling. So that's pretty good. I would have to say. So now, cause there, I mean, you saw. I mean, there wasn't hardly any gas in that tank. I mean, it was only little puddles, in the little holes, or the little, you know what I mean, puddles. So yeah, I bounced around it. I guess those puddles kind of bounce into the tube, the gas tubes, and sucked into the carb, and made that sucker fire and go up the hill. So yeah, watch that video. So subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment if you have any comments. And don't forget about subscribing. Don't forget.